Marbled four-eyed frogs live at the highest altitude of any frog on Earth. Every year, females must breed in pools formed by glacial meltwater. She needs to find shelter, but as her muscles chill, they are starting to seize up. The deeper underground, the safer she'll be. Its reach stretches far beneath the surface. Her journey looks to be over. She is frozen solid. As the world warms up, something strange happens beneath the surface. These marbled four-eyed frogs, living in the highest reaches of the Andes, have evolved a remarkable talent, almost beyond belief, and never filmed before. They can freeze solid and come back from the dead every single day. The only frog in the world that can do this. She drives forward once more. The frog that cheats death every night is ready to continue her journey, and with luck, meet a new mate. This frog may be a miracle worker, but its future is not certain.